Hi! In this presentation, you will learn about comparing part results, a new feature available with BrainWave 3.7. This feature allows the user to compare the results of a part with the results from previous parts by overlaying the values on the same graph. When combined with warning variables, it can be especially effective to monitor key parameters and accelerate problem solving. To use this feature, the user opens the Compare menu and selects the results to be compared. For each variable, a compare graph can be displayed with the results of each part color-coded. Here we can see that the force monitored was different for part number 5, giving us a clue that this part might be different from the rest of the batch. In short, with BrainWave 3.7, the compare feature can be used to monitor any parameter in the sequence, such as drive performances, force sensor feedback, and more. It is an essential tool for investigating quality issues and reducing the time it takes to solve them. That's all for today. If you have more questions about the features of BrainWave, feel free to reach out to us and we will be more than happy to answer them.